Is the voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today no one is not came to class. Can anyone last class what I said? Can anyone last class what I said? Is what is the topic that I said in the last class? ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
About micro programs, sir.
Okay. So all of you, before going to the class, a few questions that you have to remember. Those are anyone what is control memory? Control memory will store the 128 control words. Okay, and section B11. So I think this topic is completed for you, but you try to hear once again. Okay. So control memory is nothing but it contains the 128 control words, and each control word contains one micro instruction. Okay, then a sequence of micro instructions are called as micro program. Okay, and each micro instruction size is 20 bit. Now in that F1, F2, F3 is 3 micro operations. Okay, 3 bits, then CD 2 bits, DR 2 bits, then AD 7 bits address. Okay, these are the points. And last class I explained fetch routine. So during fetch routine, what we'll do, we'll read the instruction from memory, then we'll code the instruction, and then we will update the program counter by incrementing 1. So this one I already explained. Initially, PC contains the address of the first instruction that will be transferred to AR. Then in that address, whatever instruction code is there, that I will transfer to DR. Then next one, PC is incremented by 1. Then DR 0 to 10 is transferred to address register. Then mapping is nothing but anyone what? DR 11 to 14 bits are called as opcode bits. Those are transferred to the car 2 to 5 bits, and car register size is 7 bits only. Okay. So car 2 to 5 bits are DR 11 to 14, which are 4 bit opcode. Then car 0th bit, car first bit, and 6th bit, all those are zeros. Okay. Then for this I am writing the symbolic microprogram. Fetch origin 64, that means it is starting from 64th memory location. Then fetch PCT AR. So PC whatever is there will transfer into AR. So it is unconditional branch. So it is 00, CD 00, BR jump is BR 00. Next ante address of the next instruction. Read INC PC, unconditional branch, jump next. So you can read ante will read the data. Read the content. Okay, you can't say that it may be data or it may be instruction code. Okay, and DRT AR. So DR whatever is there that you transfer to AR. U is nothing but unconditional. Map is nothing but so can anyone, what is the map code? The map code is nothing but 11. If you have any doubt, we'll see the table. So whenever it is 11, BR is called as the map. So for this I am writing in binary. So PC to AR. So it is F1. So 110. and F3 nothing is there, so 000000000. Then next instruction address 65. So 65 00 100 101 next 66 101 00 00 00 11. Then you have to go for 0th location. Okay, last class I said this. Okay, then symbolic micro program. So a small program they written symbolically. So can anyone add now a few points that you have to remember is for each instruction you have to store the micro program of that particular instruction in control memory. Suppose addition instruction is there. For that addition instruction, one micro program will be present in the control memory. That you remember, okay? That is starts from the 0th memory location. Now see here, this is the symbolic program, micro program. Origin 0. So from 0 onwards it is starting. The label I am giving add to understand that it is addition microprogram. So first, what is the operation that you are doing? NOP. We are not doing any operation. NOP I. I ante anyone? I is nothing but see here indirect address bit. Is it okay? DR 15th bit is called as the indirect address bit. Then call. So call means what is the code? So CD, the code is 10. Oh, sorry, not 10. 01 is the call. So 01 is the call. Okay, then indirect. That means it is going to indirect microprogram. So it is going to indirect. Is it okay? It is going to indirect. Now indirect will perform the operation. So what is the indirect why you are using? Because you want to read the content, okay, from the memory. So read U. U is nothing but unconditional branching. Jump. Jump ante 00 next. Next ante next address of the memory location. DR TAR. So DR is transferred to AR. U unconditional return. Return is nothing but 10. So can anyone check చేయండి ఇక్కడ రిటర్న్ ఏముందో is 10. Subroutine register whatever content is there that you have to transfer to AR register. Is it okay? So subroutine register in general what it contains? The address of the instruction that you have to execute, that instruction address will be present. Okay. So what happens now? It go to the once again from here to once again it will goes to this first instruction read. Is it okay? So this is the binary. See, these are simple. Okay, NOP ante code ento cheppnamma. Now assume that addition all are zeros. F1 is 000, F2 000, F3 000 because the operation is F1. Then CD is 01. Why CD is 01? Check cheyandi. Because indirect address bit 01. Call emo is 01. So CD 01 and call is also 01. 0101. Address is next. So first memory location. See, address is nothing but we are going to indirect. So which is 67 memory location. So like this, okay? All codes you out right. Now today we will see the last topic, that is design of control unit. Okay? Before going to the design of control unit, all of you, so design of control unit, try to go through the block diagram and few questions I will ask. Now you have to answer. Okay? Now, all of you gone through the block diagram. Roll number 1 to 10. What is control memory? చెప్పండమ్మా 1 to 10 ఎవరన్నా చెప్పండి. CSC 12 section. ఎవరో ఒకరు చెప్పాలి. CSC 12 section. Roll number 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 is not reacting, so I am writing your numbers. So, okay, I am writing those numbers. So 1 to 10 people are absent. Is it correct? CSC 11 to 20.
Yes, sir.
Le- 11 to 20.
Yes, sir.
Is anyone present in 11 to 20?
Hello, sir.
చెప్పండమ్మా, what is control memory?
It stores instructions, sir. Micro instructions.
It stores the micro instructions. It has 128 control words. And what is your roll number?
19, sir.
Okay, 19 who is only present in 11 to 20. Remaining all are absent. Okay. If you don't give the response, I will write like this. I am writing 11 to 20 absent. Next, 21 to 30. 21 to 30. 21 to 30 also not giving any response. Okay, next. 31 to 40.
Yes, sir.
You yourself 25.
Yes, sir.
Can you say that if F1 is so each micro instruction for the different fields?
Sir.
Each micro instruction contains how many bits? Okay. Roll number 31 to 40.
Yes, sir.
చెప్పండి, each micro instruction contains how many bits?
Sir,
చెప్పండి.
20 bits.
Yes. Each micro instruction contains 20 bits. F1 is 3 bits.
20 bits.
F3 is 3 bits. Then CD is 2 bits, BR is 2 bits, AD is 7 bits. Now, in the design of the control unit, I have to decode the F1, F2, F3 by using 3/8 decoder. Okay. Now, anyone, if F1 is 100, can anyone, what is the meaning, what is the operation? If F1 is 100, so if F1 is 100, what is the micro operation that we will perform? See the table if you don't know means. చూడండి, F1 లో 100 ఏముంది? DRTAC. DR content will be transferred to accumulator. DR content will be transferred to accumulator. Now, can anyone, if it is 100, which line is active? ఏ లైన్ యాక్టివ్ అవుతుంది చెప్పండి.
4th line, sir.
10 no triple zero means 0, 001 means 1, 010
Fifth line.
100 అంటే is which line will be active? Fourth line is active. Okay, is correct only. So DR line is active ante that value is 1 and all remaining outputs are 0. Is it okay? Similarly, verify 101 opcode. What is the, which line is So if it is 101, can anyone, what is the link?
Fifth line, sir.
Yes, very good. And what about the remaining lines?
0, sir.
Remaining lines are zeros. Now I'm writing here 101, 101. I'm sharing 101. So which line is active? Fifth line is active. And the fifth line is 1 and remaining all output lines are zeros. Is it okay? Now after decoding that, see after decoding that I got it is what type of symbol it is. So if fifth line is what? 101 ante 101 means command name undo chudandamma DRTAR. So DR will be transferred to AR. So fifth line is 1. Fifth line 1 ante this is 1 and this is also 1. Now can anyone, if you given 101, what is the fifth line value? I said 1. Then what about the sixth line value?
0, sir.
Very good. So it is sixth line value is automatically 0. If it is 1 0 OR gate, what's the output?
1.
1.
1. Okay. Now see here, this multiplexer has how many input lines?
2, sir.
This multiplexer has two input lines and one selection line. If the selection line is 0 means it will select the 0th line. If the selection line is first line, it will select the first input line. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, next one important point, if the input is 1 here, so it will select the first input line. Is it okay? Now what is the AR register load value? When AR register load value is 1, the load value 1 means the meaning is that it can take the data, it can take the content. If load is 1, the AR register can accept the content. If load is 0, the AR register does not accept any content. Is it okay? Now anyone, here selection line is 1. So which one will be selected? 0th or first one?
DR, sir. First one.
So this first one is DR 0 to 10. That will be transferred to AR because the load is 1. Is it okay? Are you understand this operation?
Yes, sir.
Now similarly, inkoka operation cheppali. Now if the opcode is 110 F1 opcode is 110. Which line is active?
Sixth line, sir.
Very good. So sixth line is active. So sixth line is 1. And what about fifth line?
0.
So fifth line is 0. Now assume that the selection line of the multiplexer is 0. Now for this OR gate, sixth line is 1 and fifth line is
0, sir.
so OR gate, what is the output?
1.
Very good. Now here what is the selection line?
0.
0. Whenever the selection line is 0, it will select 0th line, 0th input. That is nothing but PC. Now this PC content will be transferred to AR register in the next clock pulse transition. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So like this, F1, F2, F3. Now see here, when it is 001, what is the operation that you are performing? Addition. In F2, when it is 011, can anyone, what is the operation? 011 ante third input line.
AND operation.
Nothing but end operation. Is okay? The table is already existing. Verify the table. Now this end in section will be, see this is nothing but end in section and we will execute that by using arithmetic logic shift unit. ఎప్పుడైనా end operation అంటే ఏమని చెప్పారు మీకు? We have to do end operation between accumulator and data register, then store the content in accumulator. Is it okay what I have said? So by using arithmetic logic shift operation, we will execute end instruction, additional instruction between accumulator and data register. In the next clock pulse transition, we'll store that final value in accumulator, and it requires clock signal also because accumulator is a register. Accumulator and AR is a register, so it requires the clock signals. Is it okay? Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
And I have only few instructions, but the operation is like this. And the name of this diagram is decoding of the micro operation fields. Is it okay? బాబు అందరికి అర్థమైందా? ఎవరైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి.
సార్ F3 దేనికి కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి లేదు కదా సార్, మరి ఎందుకు పెడతాం అక్కడ?
కొంచెం గట్టిగా చెప్పమ్మా.
Sir, F3 is not connected to anything, no sir. Then why are we using it, sir?
No. Here, if I connect like that, means the diagram will be complicated. Because of that, I only shown few of the outputs of the decoder. Okay, but actually all outputs will be connected.
Okay, sir.
Because the diagram will be complicated, no? Here 8 lines, here 24 lines will get. Maybe you will confuse. So because of that purpose, we connected only few outputs of the decoder to understand, okay? But in general, all outputs will be connected. This is nothing but decoding of micro operation fields. Now next diagram, last one is nothing but it is related to address sequencing. Is it okay? Now to understand this diagram, you must know that what is CD, what is BR. ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి అమ్మా, CD 00 అంటే ఆన్సర్ ఏంటో? When CD is 00, unconditional branch. When CD is 01, indirect address bit. When it is 10, sign bit of accumulator, 15th bit of accumulator. Sign bit of accumulator, which is 15th bit. 11 is nothing but zero value in the accumulator. CD 00, jump, 01, call, 10, return, 11, map. Chudandamma, this diagram is already explained to you. So this diagram you already seen. This is control memory. So in control memory, any control words store chestam cheppandi.
128.
128 control words. 31 to 40. ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా చెప్పండి? 31 to 40. 41 to 50. B12. Okay. 41 to 50 also absent. Okay. 31 to 40 absent. 51 to all.
Yes, sir.
Control memory. 128 control words will be there. Each control word, how many bits?
2 to the power.
Each control word can store 20 bits. Is it okay?
Okay.
And so those 20 bits, 9 bits are for micro operations. CD is 2 bits, BR is 2 bits, whereas AD is 7 bits. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now can you say that control memory, how many words I am storing? 128 control words. So how many address lines you require? So
Sir, 2 to the power.
yes, very good. So it is 128 lines. So we required 2 power sign, 2 power 7. That means we required 7 address lines to identify the control memory. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So car register contains the address of the micro instruction. Car register contains address of the micro instruction. If you are not getting any branch instruction, now before to understand one important point, while executing the main program, if you get the call instruction, what you have to do? when you get the call in, suppose main program is 10 instructions. Assume that in main program I am executing 15 section. While executing 15 section, I understand that it is a call instruction. Call instruction. And if some condition is satisfied, then you have to go for program 2. Okay. Now condition is satisfied. 15 section is call and condition is satisfied. So it will go to the program 2. So before going to the program 2, what computer will do? The 6th instruction address will be stored in the subroutine register. Are you understand what I'm saying? Main program I'm executing 15 section, which is a call in section. So it is the condition is satisfied. So it has to go to program 2. So before going to program 2, so the computer will store the 6th instruction in the computer will store the address of the 6th instruction in subroutine register. Is it clear, all of you? And once program 2 is completed, then once again it will return back to main program by using subroutine register because it contains the address of the next micro instruction which is in subroutine register. Are you understand what I said?
Yes, sir.
Now assume that car register generally contains address of the micro instruction. Now you are not getting any branch instruction. Then I have to go for next micro instruction address. How will you get that? By incrementing the car value. So if you increment the car value, then you will get that value. Then once again you will execute. Suppose if you want to go for program 2, then what will do? Car register increment by 1, then store that value in subroutine register. Okay. Now see here in this multiplexer here, can anyone, what is this multiplexer? I will ask in exam. What is the size of the multiplexer 1 in microprogram sequencer? ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి అమ్మా సైజ్ ఎంతో? It is a 4 input
4 into 1.
and 1 output. So it is a 4 by 1 multiplexer. Is it okay? It is a 4 by 1 multiplexer. And what are the selection lines for this? S1,
S0, S1.
S0, S1 or S1, S0. Now, can anyone, if it is S1, S0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. Can anyone, which line will be selected?
0th line.
So very good. So the 0th line will be selected. Now next question. When it is 0, 1, which line will be selected?
First line, sir.
So when it is 0, 1, it is first line will be selected. When it is 1, 0, second line will be selected. When it is double 1, roll number 39, B12, which line will be selected? Tejaswini Chappama, when it is 1, 1, which line will be selected? Tejaswini is not there. Abhishek, Pallavi. Okay. When it is double 1, third input line will be selected. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now next one. See here, what is the multiplexer 2 size? Choose separate number evarana. Multiplexer 2 size cheppandi. What is the multiplexer 2 size? How many inputs are there?
4, sir.
Inputs are there. And but multiplexer always the output is only 1. ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. 0th input is 1, first input is L, second and third, first 0th input is 1, first input is L, this is L, okay, this is not 1, L. Then second input is S, third input is Z. Now this input logic, it is nothing but first one is I0, second one is I1, and this one is T. Maybe printing is not good exactly. I0, I1, T. Okay. Now this one sample operation I will show you with respect of the truth table. Okay. I1, I0 is 0, 0. T is 0. I1, I0 is 0, 0. T is 0. So I1, 0, 0. I1 is 0. I0, 0. And here you are getting output as test output is 0, 0. Now this one I1 I0 is connected to where? This I0 is this. This is 0. This is 0. So when VR 0, 0, VR 0, 0 ante I1 I0 kuda 0, 0. Is it okay? I1 idi. This one. Okay? This is I0. T is 0. Okay? Now see the table. What is S1, S0 and L? 0, 0, 0. So when it is 0, 0, 0. L and 0. Can anyone? S1, 0, 0 onto which line will be selected?
0th line, sir.
0th line. 0th line is connected to which one? Incrementer. So when 0th line is connected to incrementer and incrementer is connected to car, that means car will be incremented by 1, and that I am applying as a input to 0th input, and that will be transferred to the car register. Is it okay what I said? So 0, 0 means 0th line will be selected. So car register contains previous address that will be incremented by 1 and given as input to 0th input, and that will be transferred to car register. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next condition, one more condition we'll see. Now next one is, we'll take 0, 1, 1. Okay. So I1, I0 is 0, 1. Okay. So anyone, what is I1 here? 0. I0 is 1. So I1 is 0. Now I1 is 0. Now this one is completed. Okay. I1 is 0. And I0 is 1. So what is the VR value? VR value ante cheppandi. The same value, no. This is 0. And this is 1. And what is the T value? 1. Assume the T value is 1. అంటే బాబు ఏం కండిషన్స్ చెప్పని చెప్పు. I1 is I0 is 1, I1 is 0, and T is 1. Is it okay? Then see what are the selection lines. 0, 1, and L is 1. Okay. So now can anyone, when it is 0, 1, which line will be selected? Chappali.
First line, sir.
S1 is 0, then S0 is 1. అదే కదా ఉంది, చూడండి కావాలంటే. 0, 1, 1. S1 is 0, S0 is 1. So 0, 1, and L is 1. What is the L value? L value ante idi. Okay. L value is 1. So what we will do? ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి అమ్మా ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాము? This is a call in section. Okay, when it is 0, see here. When it is 0, 1, which line will be selected? ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి, which line will be selected?
First line, sir.
Selected. First input line will be selected. This first input line is connected to where? This address, this new address. So this new address will be transferred to the car register. But before that, what we will do? This car will be incremented by 1 and we will store that value in subroutine register. Are you understand? Car contains previously some value, no? That will be incremented and that will be stored in subroutine register. Why it is stored in subroutine register? Because load is active. Load is 1. When load is 1, the SBR can take the content. So car register incremented by 1, that will be transferred to subroutine register. Then this new address content will be transferred to the first input line. From that, it will be transferred to car register. So like that, you have to verify the truth table. Are you understand what I said? When you execute the call in section, you have to go for another branch. Before going to another branch, you have to increment the car value by 1 and store that value in subroutine register. Is it okay? Any doubt? M. 53. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what happens when it is 0, 1? So what I said, when it is 0, 1, load is 1. So 0, 1 at the first input line. First input line is nothing but new address, and that new address will be transferred. And here previously some car value is there that is incremented, stored in subroutine register, and this new address will be stored in the car register. When it is when you got the new address, so automatically it will execute the program too. Is it okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now see one more, 10. T value, any value. Chapra Babu, roll number 9, anyone? If the selection lines are 10, now see that now the selection lines are 10. If the selection lines are 10, can anyone, which input line will be selected?
Second input line, sir.
Second input line is connected to where?
SBR.
So subroutine register, that means here some address will be there, that will be transferred to the second input line. From that it will be transferred to car register. Now we will execute the main program. Are you understand? So if you have any doubt, we can ask. Okay. Still 3 minutes is there. If you have any doubt, try to ask. Okay. Any doubt is there, Amma? I'm closing the session. So try to go through the second unit. If any difficulty, please ask on the Monday. Okay? Monday we'll start the third unit.
Okay, sir.